In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix could not connect to the video call error on Google Meet. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your control center. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and server data. If you're using Wi-Fi, also give a first restart to your router. You can enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing you want to do is allow permission for Google Meet app. For that, launch settings. Scroll all the way down, click on apps. From the list of apps, find Google Meet and launch it. Now here you're going to find this option of microphone as well as camera. Toggle on for these options. If the problem continues, you'll need to head back, clear cache for the app. For that, navigate to this option of general. Click on iPhone storage, find Google Meet and launch it. Now click on offload app, confirm it, then click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Google Meet app, select app info, go to storage, click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, check if you are connected to any VPN. In case you are connected to any VPN or proxies, you will need to disable it. If these solution didn't work out for you, check out for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Google Meet. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If these methods didn't work out for you, check whether Google services are experiencing an outage. Temporary server issues can prevent users from joining meetings, and in that case, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.